Now, yes, I do use a pill, but it's not, it's not prescription. It's not habit forming. It's called Rest More. And yes, when they say rest more, they're not kidding. And what I usually do is I take this about 20 to 30 minutes before I go to sleep. With, I take it, with water. Well, I have my tea, but I also take it with water. And let me tell you something, I've been quite pleased with them. I have seen just really works. At least for me anyway. You may have to do something different, but I thought I would share with you something that just really helps me get that 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep. Now, another note, if you do try the Rest More, you do have to let it build up in your system a couple of days. You're not going to just drop off to sleep instantaneously or anything like that. You need to take it for at least about 5 consecutive nights to really get it built up into your system. To get, desired effects. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and have a good night's sleep. Have a good one.
When you just need more rest, there's Rest More. For better, more restful sleep, make it part of your nighttime routine.